Welcome to Quick Setup Guide for NeoStack. Log into NeoStack dashboard. Create a new project. Fill in whatever you like for your project. It can be anything. It doesn't matter and doesn't need to match your Unreal project naming. From here, you can download the plugin files as needed for NeoStack to connect to your project and assist with development. At time of recording, only version 5.6 is supported, but support for other versions is coming soon. Now that you've downloaded the plugin files, go to your project and create a plugins folder if you don't have one, and create folder for NeoStack. Move all content of archive to that folder. Let's go back to Neo Dashboard and navigate to Chat tab. Here, you will find a red Unreal Engine icon indicating that Neo is not connected to the project. Click on it to access all the details you need to set up the engine plugin and connect it to your project. Launch your project and open the project settings. Look for NeoStack in the Plugins tab. The plugin requires a few settings that you need to fill in. You can find these in the dashboard under the Chat tab. Copy the project ID and set it in the plugin settings. Do the same for the user ID. To get the API key, click Create New API Key and copy the generated key. Once all the settings are filled in, click the red Neo icon to connect to NeoStack. If you receive a success message, you can start using NeoStack to its fullest potential. Make sure to use the right agent for your task and start asking Neo to assist you with your requests.